do mock simulators. Keep an eye on the timing. Timing is the critical, that is the key. If you give those questions to me and give me all day, I think I'll pass. I'll go for 180 questions. I can pass all 180 questions. But you don't have that luxury. You have 1 minute and few seconds, and you have to be on time. And I would still say that, okay, because first section you take it easy, but you need to know, you need to calculate, make mark down how many minutes are left and how many questions are there. You have to do the maths in your. The good thing is they give you break. That's the time when you come with the whole energy back and say, deep breath, and then come back and say, this is what I have to kill it. So time management is the first key, and keep your concepts very clear. Don't get confused. The moment you get confused in what first and what next, you are taking your extra minute. You do not have that time. So concept clear.
Anand just cleared PMP like 10 minutes ago. Ali have cleared PMP with above target. Congratulations, Raheel, on clearing your PMP in first attempt. You cleared PMP exam with 5 above target. The best thing that anyone can do. 5 above target. Ladies and gentlemen, second student in 3 days, 5 above target.
I didn't expect it that I will get this result. I thought that I will be like target or like above target.
Thanks to you. Without your dedication and guidance, it was impossible for me.
Yeah, it is clear to you. Above target, above target, above target, above target. Do I have to read film book? Do I have said no, no? Like whenever he heard like this guy have read 5 times film book so many times, you always get confused and come back to me. I kept on saying him, you are going to clear, just read 1 time. And that's what he did.
Sure.
Renu just cleared PMP exam. You know how much time ago? Yeah, we need to.
So proud.
You should be. You should be. So Renu, you cleared PMP like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, an hour. It took 30 minutes for me to come from center.
Yeah. So
So
the
yeah.
exam was center based.
Yeah, so this is my second attempt, Amir. So first attempt I gave it from my home. I felt that there was too much of disturbance, whether it's the background kids noise or whether it's the internet. So this time I chose to give it from the center.
Okay, you chose it right. Like where are you right now?
I'm in Denver, Colorado,
Uh,
USA.
USA. So in centers are open now in USA.
Yeah. I mean, they're very selective days they're offering, and I could see 6 to 8 people next to me, maybe giving different exams. But yeah, centers were open.
The centers are open, and that's a good thing that the centers are open and you can look forward because many of my US students are also saying the same thing. Like we have to book a date. Like for example, one of my student, she booked her exam on 25th, and
Uh-huh.
she actually prepared. She can give exam tomorrow, but she cannot since she booked it a long time ago.
Oh yeah,
That's
yeah,
that's
yeah.
the thing. Okay. So why don't you share? You already said that this was your second attempt. So why don't you share your journey with us?
It was if you see that way, I mean, it was a very lengthy journey. I mean, like 3 years back, I thought, okay, since I was anyways performing some of the PM roles, why not just get the certification? And I started. I just took the membership from PMI, and then I took the Udemy course from Mr. Philip, and I went through. But then I realized every time I open the video, I sleep. So it wasn't making much sense to me, and I was not very much into it. Although I had taken the certification, the 35 PDUs, but still I wasn't seeing myself, dedicated into that thing. So I left it, and then in Jan mid this 2021, all of a sudden, my one of my friend in India, she cleared and she started pushing me that you should do it, since you have the experience, and it's a big deal to get the certification. So I was like, okay, sure, why not? So you can say that, yeah, from Jan mid till today, yeah, it's a long journey. I mean, it's n number of hours of listening to
Has to,
videos,
has to be.
audios.
Yeah, it has to be.
It's
So you are audio
it's a
learner.
lot of
So
work.
that's the second.
I'm an audio learner.
second
That is my problem.
No, that's not your problem. Please don't say that. Like one of my student, Umair, and he cleared exam a week ago. Actually, I started the podcast thing because of him. I converted all my videos into audio. He said that I learn more of audio. So you are what you are. Don't be like
Yeah.
ashamed or get back because of this thing. God made you this way, so use it.
Yeah, I don't think I mean, although I love to read books, it's not that if it's some storybook, but not something which we have to
Yeah,
focus. I
something,
mean, if you
something like
ask me,
something like me. This can be read.
yeah, that I can read Twinkle, I can read all sort of those things, Chacha Chaudhary maybe, but not these books. I mean, I mean, you'll be surprised to know that I haven't even read Pimbok.
Okay,
um
I'm not surprised to know that most of the student nowadays they prefer to learn in their own pace, and that's a good way to do. I really like the way you said it, and you know your real stance. That's a good thing. Okay, let's talk
Correct.
about preparation. So, how you prepared for your exam?
So I said, Amir, that I didn't read the Pimbok. I did go through Rita, soft copy. Again, as I said, I cannot read through book. Although I have a hard copy I ordered, but I couldn't. Every time I open, I sleep. Every time I open, so I went through whenever I get time in office and all. I was just going through onto my laptop, and I finished it once. Although I never gave the exams, the questions which are there on the backside of it, and that too I would say long back, not from Jan. It's like whenever I started and I just read from Jan mid, I have completely into the Udemy, and professors like you on YouTube who just gives the tips on specific videos, and I watch those. But yeah, Mr. Ramdayal and Mr. Philip, those are the two guys I completely followed. I think I went through their videos two times minimum, and then few of the separate videos on the specific topics three or four times as well.
Good.
So, and I have watched any video you have recorded after Jan, of course, because of the new pattern change, which I got to know in February. So I was preparing for this exam, but I had no clue that I'm preparing for the different pattern. And I was just, going through all those things. All of a sudden, once I opened it and I saw one of your session where team members were there, and yours was like 7 day crash course, and I was like, wow, if you can clear in 7 days, and I still have time. And I went through the language you use, and I'm not, there's no maskabaji here, but the language which you use is so simple. I can easily relate to it. There's no big fancy words, no big things where we have to relate our experience or anything. It's plain English, and I can easily relate. Oh, this is what it meant. Especially the change management, the way you explained. Of course, the scrum which you took. There was a session where you took your badge for the last call. I think that was the wrap up of every session. It took 2 hours. I went through that video twice, and the way you have explained the entire PIMBOK in that 2 hours, it's wonderful. I mean, I can't thank enough.
Thank you.
So
You have
thank you
thank
so
enough.
much.
You have thank enough. Okay, now let's talk about the real exam. Your first attempt was when?
It was on 21st of March,
Okay, let's
2021.
let's first of all compare that exam with this exam. So almost in a month, I would say that in a month, uh,
Yeah, for 5 weeks.
yeah,
Yeah.
you cleared the exam. So what were the mistake in that exam that you did first of all?
So let me tell you, I did not read any extra from the day I failed to my second attempt. The only extra thing that I did is mock, which I did not do in my first attempt. I mean, I did the mocks, but not with the simulators. When you have the time restrictions at the time when your brain stops working. So I saw one of your video where you suggested Prepcast and the EDU. I thought, okay. And then I saw a few more and they were all recommending Prepcast. So like, I think 2 or 3 weeks back, I took this membership of Prepcast, and then I did all my exams. I won't say the mistakes I did. The only mistake I did is the time management. Otherwise, the questions were pretty much same. But yes, I was more nervous in the first video, and in so not the first video, the first exam. And when I failed, the next day I watched your this video 2 hours where you said a deep breath, and then you need to relax before this. And I was like, this is me. This is me because I all failed. I need this meditation. I really need this deep breath. And that's when I started following you. But the mistake I did is, yes, you have to keep an eye on the timing. I was shaky when in last section I had 60 questions and 64 minutes.
But
And when I clicked,
still good. I recommend
yeah,
70 minutes, but 6 minutes short, good, still good.
I was so disappointed on me that why did I take my first section so lengthy? It took 90 minutes. But then you know what? You get comfortable in your first section. You want to make sure that you're doing good, because once you catch the pace, then you can finish it. So yeah, the last when I clicked on complete or then submit, it was like I think 20 seconds remaining. So I utilized all 230 minutes
All
of
that,
PMP
all your
exam.
time, and you did it in the best possible way.
Yeah. I mean, I knew that whatever I'm clicking, I didn't review any of them because I knew whatever I select, that is for sure is they're going to stay.
Let me tell
There's no
you,
way I'm going to come back.
I normally recommend that you should review, but in my own personal exam, I don't. I don't.
You
Like,
get confused, you
yeah,
see?
yeah.
You get
Even
confused.
when I review two, three questions, I go back and then change their answers. Like I remember the last exam I gave few days back. I went back, I changed the answer. Then I thought, okay, why I'm changing this? Maybe I have thought differently. I end the exam. I have done this
That's,
two time in this year, and yes, if you
I
are,
mean, if you have time, then yes, why not? You give a second thought. But you're already struggling for time here. Then I would just use your best judgment on the very first click
yeah.
and move.
In my opinion, review is more of that time. Like if you get critical path questions, and I hope you didn't get in your two times. No critical path, no mathematical.
No maths question, no critical. I mean, there was one related to critical path. I have no idea if it's correct or wrong, but yeah, there was a time constraint, and since there was a time constraint, you what what different way you can use. And I think I was like this, just pull one another resource because we are tight on schedule, but we have the
But
budget.
not
So that's
not that much critical questions related
no.
to mathematical. Okay,
Ahmed, if you ask me, this test was much easier than what I anticipated. I mean, I went through because, of course, after my first failure, I was little conscious. I was nervous and demotivated, and so I was prepared more. But then I felt that these questions you can easily do if you have really understood the concept, if you know the emotional intelligence, if you know in your normal personal life as well. This is no way related to project management thing. This is a human being and taking care of or dealing with another human being. So I would say if you know those concepts, you can clear it.
okay, that is good thing to say. How many of the percent was more of agile questions? 50-50.
Everything was agile. I mean, I don't know if there was any. I mean, there were questions that this part is, um, you're implementing through this way, and the other is the adaptive way. But I would say that everything was more of a hybrid to some percent, but a large number with the agile. There were hardly any questions if you want to go with the traditional way.
That's a dangerous thing for construction engineers. Like it is get
Exactly.
actually. You are an IT professional. What is your profession?
I am. I am. I'm a lead of QA team. I lead a team. So
The
yeah, but yeah, we have to. And I'm in telecom
Okay.
industry, so
Okay.
you have to deal with the project management. It's the whole process.
Were there any questions directly related to the roles of a Scrum Master, product owner, and team?
Yeah, I mean, there were questions where they were asking. So there were a bunch of questions on product backlog. Sorry, not the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and they want to make sure what will you do if there's something going on. Something comes urgently. So more of a like a you asking product owner to help with it. as I was going through those videos, that they push on this point that you cannot do it yourself. You have to let the team do, as well as you have to, work with product owner to come up with those prioritized plan, the high valuable thing in the backlog section. So yes, there were nothing directly related, but they were where you have to keep yourself as a scrum master or project manager, and then there's a product owner and the project team.
The language of the exam is basically it is considering you the project manager, or is it directly calling you agile practitioner or scrum master? What exam is calling you
Most of them were project manager.
project managers?
Well, yeah, what will you do, you as a project manager? There were hardly, I think, 2 or 3 questions where they said that they want to um, uh, uh, bring an agile practitioner or agile coach, but they were hardly. It's mostly they were calling you as a project. So that confuses you, because they're calling you project manager, but then they're expecting you to think of from the agile point of view.
And there is a no,
So
and then we know that there is no project manager in agile. So
exactly. See,
some,
that's you think that where am I?
that's something that you need to change. I'm going to make a video on this also. There are 2 3 things that I need to make a video, especially one of them is this thing. Project manager means development team, scrum master, and product owner. You can be anything among that.
Exactly.
You need to identify.
Yeah, sometimes they just put you as a so there was this question and that confused me. I still don't know if I selected the correct answer, but they said, you did
Cannot,
you
you cannot tell me the real question. You cannot tell me the real question. This is actually against code of ethics. It's my duty to tell you. Okay, it's my duty
okay,
to tell you.
sorry.
No issue, no issue, no issue. That is important thing to know. And you cannot tell anyone else even that you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So yeah, that makes
Now
the.
that you mentioned, I'll keep into mind.
Okay. So what about change request? How many questions were related to near to change request?
Uh, so change management was one of the options, but they were not directly asking about the change management. They were saying that what would have you done better, and what will be your first step? What will you do next? Those kind of questions, but not they were not expecting you to go through change management.
They were not expecting you to go. So
They
what
were
about,
not expecting.
okay, now you have given me a lot of things. So let me ask my golden question that I ask to everyone. One advice that you will give to all PMP aspirants to clear PMP exam.
Do mock simulators. Keep an eye on the timing. Timing is the critical, that is the key. If you give those questions to me and give me all day, I think I'll pass. I'll go for 180 questions. I can pass all 180 questions. But you don't have that luxury. You have 1 minute and few seconds, and you have to be on time. And I would still say that, okay, because first section you take it easy, but you need to know, you need to calculate, mark down how many minutes are left and how many questions are there. You have to do the maths in your. The good thing is they give you break. That's the time when you come with the whole energy back and say, deep breath, and then come back and say, this is what I have to kill it. So time management is the first key, and keep your concepts very clear. Don't get confused. The moment you get confused in what first and what next, you are taking your extra minute. You do not have that time. So concept clear.
You did not have that time. And you did the exercise in breaks. The breathing.
I did. I went to, there was a cafeteria, there was a small kitchen kind. I went there. It's fine. It's fine. You can do it. You still have 60 minutes. You have 4 more minutes extra because you kept an average of 1 minute. Just read the question, best select the answer. Don't read again. Just go for the best answer.
That is the key. Don't read that again. Thank you, Renu. Thank you. And you just did PMP. I'm extremely happy. And this is the time to celebrate now. Now this is the time.
I am.
Yeah.
I'm going to celebrate.
Friends, family, but stay home. I would say in this time, this is like, don't get too excited, don't go out. I would say order a good pizza. Or
I got I got both vaccinations. So.
Still like.
I know. I'm just kidding.
Okay, Renu, thank you very much. Thank you for best of luck.
Thank you so much, Amir, for your time and all your videos. I hope you'll continue this work and you will help the other students as well.